So guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Emmanuel Mbwaga, or you can call me Charles B.
Bila shaka kama ninavyosema kila wakati, kumbuka ni The Smasher, kumbuka ni Zilas TV.
Today we are talking about, we are in Kenya. We have seen a degrees in poultry farming. So our guy here atatuambia hii degrees inatokana na nini. Tumeona production ya kuku imerudi chini na hatujui shida inaweza kuwa wapi. So my guy, can you tell us factors affecting poultry farming in Kenya or in Western region?
Factors affecting poultry in Kenya, Western region.
Yes.
Number one.
Yes.
That's number one. Ni one main factor.
Yes. Hiyo main hiyo ndo tunataka kujua.
That main.
Yes.
There is an increase in population of the Luyas.
So can you tupe reason yenye inafanya useme hivyo? Hii increase ni inatokana, si tunaona degrees ya poultry farming, naona sema increase ya Luya. Why?
In this increase of the Luyas,
yes,
there is this increase of the consumption of the poultry, and so this is the main factor that is bringing down the production of poultry.
So amesema Waluya wana increase kwa hiyo
Western. They are consuming more hens or chickens in Western.
Yes.
And that is leading the production to go down.
Yes.
Yeah. I wonder.
So my guys, when I ask you nini tafanya nini ili tupunguze hii the increase of the Luyas warudi chini ndio poultry increase?
How to deal with this thing?
Yes.
Hey, let me tell you.
Yes, tell me.
You know, this chicken cannot be eaten dry. At most with these Luyas they like eating ugali.
Yes.
And so they are most of the way they are using, or the way they are consuming this hen is by use of ugali. And so what I may think of is that the Luyas must just think of reducing the ratio of eating ugali.
You know production kubwa ya kuchinja kuku iko Nairobi, KFC. Yuko Western, yuko Nairobi.
You check on this. If you go there at Bungoma town,
yes,
there is a sign there of a big hen or a big jogo. Ile jogo anasema kuwa iko na this one. Wanasema aje? Steak. Wanasema steak. Iko pale mtaani. Kumaanisha nini? Poultry in Western. Si Western, pale Bungoma. Inaanzia hapo.
So tuseme si Western, Bungoma wa reduce ugali, not the whole Western region.
It's just
because
the Western.
Bungoma, let us put it like this. There's degrees of poultry farming in Bungoma, not in Western region.
In Western region, because Bungoma is in Western, and here in Kakamega also I've seen people are consuming hen or chicken at a high rate. So what we can do is that to reduce this consumption of eating hen at a high rate is just reducing the rate of eating ugali. Tukue kama Wakikuyu.
Okay, now kwa kamera ambia serikali hii maneno, serikali ijue venye tutasaidia.
Serikali.
Yes, waambie
serikali maneno iko hapa. How do you see if the serikali inaweza, it can just implement a law that can govern the eating of or consumption of chicken?
To the Luyas or people living in Western, tell them something.
To the Luyas of Western, let's reduce the consumption of eating ugali so that we control the production of poultry.
Yes, as we have heard that from him. Okay, thank you for tuning in. I'm Emmanuel Mbwaga.
I remember it's The Smasher. Zilas TV is the production. Bye bye. Have a good good time.